Hey guys, what's up? I'm Praveen and this is Maahek Nair from BodyProCoach Nutrition or Fitness. We have got some really amazing recipe of chicken today and Meg is going to tell us more in detail about it.
So if you're following a ketogenic diet and you want to eat something delicious and you just have about 10 or 15 minutes to spare, this recipe is for you. That's a keto creamy coconut chicken. 250 grams chicken breast. So I have previously diced the breast and I've kept the opening for the same. 1 cup coconut, chopped garlic, 10 grams mozzarella cheese, 20 grams cream cheese, 1 cup coriander, black pepper, Himalayan pink salt, some toothpicks, olive oil spray for cooking. So the marination, first we take shredded coconut. To that we add chopped garlic. Next we add mozzarella cheese. Then we add cream cheese. Then we add 1 cup chopped coriander. Last some pink salt and we mix the marination. We evenly mix the same. And the stuffing and our marination for the chicken is ready. Now we're going to take our chicken breast, drizzle some black pepper over it, and now it's ready for us to do the marination. I'm going to take the chicken, open it nicely, put the filling inside, use my hands, make it a nice loaf and cross it over. Now with the help of toothpick, I'm going to close the same. We do the same for the second one. First we're going to use some spray oil and then we're going to quickly put the marinated breast on the pan. The yummy keto creamy coconut chicken is ready. The cheese inside this is excellent source of calcium and vitamin B12.
Alright, there you go. A great macro option. All you have to do is that subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet and hit that bell icon. That you get to know all the video updates of ours. At the same time, we got videos and all the information that you need on train to local programs and recipes. So please do share the channel with your friends and family. Make sure to thumbs up. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.
Stay tuned. Thank you.